Hey everybody, if you've been following my channel at all, you know that I recently purchased this 6-wheeled John Deere Gator with the diesel engine. And I said I would do a few reviews when I had the opportunity to find things that, you know, contain some content that I couldn't really find on the internet or on YouTube that much or that easily. So here's one of the things that I found. So on the Gator, this particular Gator, and a lot of them are, a belt-driven machine. So there's your clutches, similar to a snowmobile, and pretty much the same as every other UTV or side-by-side that exists out there on the market. When you step on the gas pedal, that spins, closes the distance between the plates, and engages the belt, which drives your transmission. The pedal is fairly firm to press down on the Gator. I'm not sure how well you can see that. One of the things I really hate about the Gator, sorry, hate's a strong word, really dislike, is the gas pedal. It's a weird shape, it's a bit too small, and it's hard to get your foot on it perfectly. It is a cable operated system. I know that this is poor lighting, and there's so much slop and play in there, it's not really consistent all the time. There is a nut above this that you could adjust. I've not done that yet, but having that like that, to me, is very rudimentary. It's a firm pedal to press on, but I found that in the rear of the machine, where the linkage is, and I'll try to show this. It's really hard to get in there. Where the linkage is right there. The cable comes to this triangular shaped plate. And I know it's really hard to see. On this plate is a spring, and there are two holes. One here and one here. Hopefully you can see that. It's really difficult. There and there. If you move this spring from its current factory setting to that second hole, it reduces the tension on the throttle pedal, making it much easier to press on and therefore a little more user-friendly. Let me see if I can get that in. I don't know if you can see it or it's too close, but there's a hole there where the spring is and a hole there. Now, I tried that and it was wonderful. It made the throttle pedal much more easier to depress, but the problem with it is the machine, being the beast that it is, it gets up to speed, you know, a little quicker. It's so bouncy though with these, there's no suspension on the back. It's so bouncy, your foot then becomes bouncy on the throttle pedal, which makes for really an erratic drive. So I tried it for a day and I changed it right back and live with the firmer setting, I guess, as you would call it. But that's just one thing, a feature I wanted to show you. Maybe your property has some nice smooth terrain and lawn. Mine is more rough and bumpy because it was an old field at one point, and it just didn't suit the machine or where I'm using it. But yeah, that's one feature. As you can see, I'll give you a last peek at the motor here. It's pretty tidy, pretty spotless for a 1999 John Deere Gator with only 25 hours. If you have any questions about the machine, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks very much.